Is Rapid Visual Platform going to give us the superpowers?
We really want to build a community here, and we want to at least experiment to see, can we pull it off? We founded this about a year ago, March 2024. I was in a workshop in Dubai running a kickoff for an innovation sprint, and I called Mattias. It was a Tuesday afternoon. Can we pull it off for this week? And he goes, yeah, I can have it ready by Thursday. So on Thursday, he delivers this tool, and we use it in a workshop, and people were blown away. And on Friday, that client purchased 5 licenses. And we go, yeah. Later, I found out he didn't sleep at all for those 2 days, but that was the very beginnings. We believe that AI can help us uplift our work and our societies, not disrupt it. You click on research the business model, you grab a cup of coffee, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and then boom, you have the business model canvas right in front of you. And what happens is that it's not just a chat like you would with ChatGPT, it does the job for you. So you go, can you add this to partnerships? Boom. Right? It'll actually put the sticky. I don't know about you folks, but I found teams will spend 7 weeks to get to where I've shown you in 7 minutes. Right? This technology is evolving so quickly that very soon we're now exploring a path where you can talk to the computer and change the picture. So she's pointing on the picture there, make her not point, and their hand will go down. Like, these things are happening super fast right now. What surprised us to find out was that people were not disconnected from the ideas. They were not just checking boxes. They were actually quite excited about the ideas the AI was suggesting because it created ideas based on them, based on their skills.
I'm really amazed about the outcomes. I believe it goes five times as fast as previously when I did it on the wall with paper and post-it notes. In fact, so everybody has some good case to present, and there are no dropouts, and which is quite a big change from what I had before and I have right now. First of all, I have less slides, I have less talking, and I have less theory. I have more practical work, I have more discussions.
We're building something here, and it's so much more fun to build it with people that actually use it and care.